A delegation of the ASHA workers of the state under the umbrella of the Meghalaya ASHA Workers Union had met Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare Department, Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh, today, the 10th of July 2023, to air their grievances and also place their demands which have been kept pending by the state government. Speaking to reporters, the advisor of the union, Soni Kharjana, informed that the workers have demanded for an increase in the daily wages and also 100% implementation of benefits from the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS during medical treatment of any of the members of the union. At the same time, she informed that the delegation had demanded the immediate intervention of the state government towards termination of job of the ASHA workers by headmen of certain locations.
Minister mai ka arko itrik no bra bra na ummi na men tu ya minister na kam ji ASHA but ka points kam ni wanra kan ni bra bra kiti kiju point wanra tang pangisu kamban company amta mai on company dia bai kan ni points baning kong bani wanra ka bang kong ni ki ASHA ki demands ban yo no ya ka bakin consider no ya ki ASHA kung ki minimum wages kum ka act kabaar kadai banyo full coverage na ke MHIS kabalai kadai na kabenta banirap ina ban ai ki kinja ban piskan ni ke ASHA hak tu gajing sha tan minit sha be kam dan ki daw ki bangla teng ki bangim la ban dit nama teng ki sha be kam ki rang ba sno di ka assurance banyo mentan na I health minister kalongba kabaning kong ka assurance kadai ba hak point sa ba may yin pintikana bagi ASHA kini full coverage na MHIS kata ila pintikana but kaba ka points ka balay pa de kadena ko ta tu din sha be ki ASHA sha wen kam di ASHA kirang basnong namar pum kirang basnong ki ai recommendation ki ASHA di kata din sha wen kam kalong ba inbu no da ka grievances committee kata yung set up na kata nang bakala ban pek kana ya ka din sha wen kam ki ASHA di kapoin sa malingkong kabangipan niya kami ni Bong Wages kung bagi ASHA adu mentani yo tang ka fix na riyam ka ba jatin ka lat na incentives dikata ka jatin ka kalong ba kidang yo nga na manadu kidu ABS kata ka ASHA benefit scheme kim ju show kiyo tang ka fix na riyam ka ba jatin ka tatang ini jatin ka kalong ba kilalo nong siya ki ASHA kani kalong ba da kim tre kinyo ta ka jatin ka ma tang bakal dunong si saya ASHA naman batang pek bagi datre hat ko kam ya ban pendiang no pade ya ka kam private la jong kikila dunong te ki try kim sha show de ki try private life de kamot bat im tang ti ara jating kar ki ASHA kim la ban im te mo so di ASHA ki de ba bam nal kepala si mo ba la sa I ko ba kina ban sa ki kesem di kata ka de gi ini pa ni demands menan tanang kasalakar ba kanerat ki ASHA ban consider na komiti minimum wages ka ba mot ba kim im by sino kung ba na maramantai ki on skill ki im lies pa kanda ki usan lingka jadi ki yo tang ikaturo kumur kila kam im